vibro speaker will make a powerful column of any surface. You connect one end to the sound source, for example, your MP3 player or smartphone, and the other end should connect to a table, a cup, a car, or any other surface. And this surface turns into a big speaker. This portable mini speaker transmits vibrations to the surface, and you get a pretty good sound quality. Do not forget about such useful things as a smartwatch. With it, you will be able to answer calls and SMS, read email, record photos and videos, and will get all notifications that come to your smartphone. Most smartwatches are equipped with a lot of embedded sensors and have a built-in fitness tracker, pulse meter, sleep phase tracker, etc. And, of course, because this is the watch, you can choose the dial so that it will look stylish on your arm. There is a huge selection of such watches on Amazon. place of the usual magnets for a fridge, which help us affix a note for our loved ones, there came video memos. Now you don't have to search for a pen and paper to leave messages. Just press the button and record video of all that you want to say. It's so simple that even small children will be able to use it.
Have you ever wondered, is that thing even working? Oh, it just blinked. Red. Is that bad? Should I be worried? Why do we put up with this? Meet Nest Protect. It's designed with advanced technology to sense smoke and carbon monoxide. Can give you an early warning before an alarm.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen.
And if you know everything's okay, you don't have to run around trying to quiet it down. Just hush it from your phone.
Smoke alarm silenced.
Nest Protect tells you where the danger is, so you know what to do and where to go.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
And it can send an alert, so you know what's going on, even if you're not home.
The carbon monoxide alarm is over.
At night, it lights your way and shows you it's tested its batteries and everything's okay, so everyone can sleep safe and sound. Nest Protect. It's time to know more and worry less.
And this is one of the most unusual bath mats, which you can buy on Amazon. This is the most seemingly ordinary white bath mat. However, as soon as you step on it with wet feet, bloody traces of a bright scarlet color appears on it. Then after the carpet dries, the traces disappear. This mat will certainly surprise your guests.
I wanted to tell you about Human Gear's new utensil line, the Go Bites. There's the Uno, Duo, and Trio. We made the Go Bites from a proprietary nylon material that's virtually unbreakable. While other utensils may not hold up, there's a reason we back the Go Bites with a lifetime warranty. The Uno's U shape is ergonomic, and we improved the fork and spoon ends. The spoon is deep enough for soup and designed to scrape up every last piece of food. The fork tines are long enough for pasta, and the tapered splitter tines easily cut up softer foods. The Duo has the same optimized fork and spoon ends and adds some neat tricks of its own. You can use the fork and spoon separately or connect them together for a tool that's even longer than most extra long utensils. So it's no sweat to reach into deep containers without getting sauce all over your hands. The Trio packs a full-size fork, spoon, and knife into an ultra-thin case. The tools feature the same optimized ends and they're accessible separately. Just grab the one you want. The Trio's knife is sharp enough to cut chicken, and it even has a bottle opener. We think you'll like the toothpick too. So that's the Go Bites lineup. Super strong, ergonomic, smart, and backed 100% by our lifetime warranty. The Go Bites Uno, Duo, and Trio, the civilized tools for eating on the go, only from Human Gear.
A tabletop mini fireplace running on bioethanol adds a bit of coziness and romance to your home. It is able to transform a dark, unlit room into a cozy, romantic area without the cost of electricity. Standing on the coffee table next to the couch or beside the bedside table, a mini fireplace promotes relaxation and provides comfort. By the way, it is environmentally friendly. In the process of burning, it produces no harmful vapors and it does not form soot on the wall.